Last question for a lot of the young people watching right now. A lot of them are students as well. And what kind of advice do you have? Like, how should students get started? What kind of problems should they look to solve with these bots? What type of methodology do you want these young people to have with creating bots?
So I would suggest, like everything else, look for the problems around you on what people are trying to solve, and not every problem is going to be solved by bots. So, it's not like you have a bot and you want to just shove it in as a solution to every single problem. You want to be able to look at the entirety of it and say, hey, what part of the experience of the solution for that problem can exist on a bot? Apps are not going to die away. Web is not going to die away. TV is not going anywhere. Radio didn't go anywhere. All of those things are still there because they are relevant for that particular use case. They might have sort of spread out in irrelevant spaces, and then these technologies sort of clean them up and they come back to the core. But what's going to happen is like behavioral shift can happen, but you need to solve the problem and say, okay, this part of the problem can be solved really well with a bot, and then build an experience around that. And then when you're building these bots, remember to start with something very basic, learn from your users, and then make it more complex as you go, because it will get complicated. Like everything else that we build in software, things can only get complicated as you grow. And so build an experience, start building some sort of rudimentary experiences that can help you solve certain things. I remember talking to somebody in Boston about 2 months ago, where this young guy was building a simple Alexa bot that can talk to the Google Classrooms, because that's what they used in their school. And the use case that they were trying to solve is that, hey, is there any update from my teacher on English subject, right? Did they post anything? And Alexa can basically say, yes, there are 3 new messages. They will open their phone or laptop to check those messages. But it's just a little bit of information. As I said, assistive technology that can help you. Maybe down the road with Echo Show, they can actually see the messages as well. That's a possibility. But these platforms are growing as well. So you're on the ground floor of it. Build with them, experience them. You will have bad and good experiences. And play with it. Right? I mean, experience as many bots as you can, and you will find the right balance around it.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Obaid. That's how you say your name, right?
Yes.
Obaid. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for the demo and sharing your thoughts. So what I'm going to do is share this video with my team and also with the people in our meetup group. We're scheduling our meetups starting from January on, and we're going to do some. We have speakers, but we're going to do some workshops in between, and we'll definitely let you know if we do something around designing bots instead of like actually making it, to design the overall flow. Anyways, thank you so much for your time. Do you have any last questions or?
No, I think it's good. I'll send you the video once it's done. It should be about half an hour for it to process, and then I can send it to you. And if you guys want us to come down to do a workshop or anything like that, let me know, and we'll be happy.
And you guys are in Ottawa, Canada?
Yes, we're in Ottawa, Canada.
Okay. Is that east from Seattle? Is it?
It is east from Seattle. It's on East Coast.
Okay.
North of Toronto.
Okay, gotcha. All right. Well, thank you, Obaid. I'll talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon. Take care.
Bye.